Welcome to another fine episode of the weirdest videos ever, where you will see some very intriguing episodes, where you will see many British accents, and many shrimp on the barbie. But wait, we should not be civilized people when we assemble weird people. So I say that we should just take off our clothing, our fancy clothing, and become a normal American. Normal Americans don't have to be all civilized. Some Americans work at McDonald's for all I care. I don't really care if they work at McDonald's. I don't care if they commit suicide. Which, by the way, I'm not about to do. Okay. They don't even use flashlight. Big concept. Pocket hankies. Big concept. Over this, I've used this prop multiple times. You saw as I hit my head on the last weirdest videos ever. It's made at a certain date. It's down at the bottom of the screen. See, look. Right where the flashlight is. Right there, the top stamp. So, yeah. Well, I better get this marathon posted up to you. This is weirdest videos ever. Number 54. Enjoy this. This is marathon video number 8, and goodbye. Hello, fine dear. Nice to see you. There's more to come of weirdest videos ever. As you've seen, I made multiple ones. My 50th one was 4 videos away. I'm halfway to 100. Oh my god. On a normal civilized person day, they would enjoy what I do. But anyways, if you enjoy that video, I've got to go to the ending animation. Fortunately, I've got to eat. Even the weird person eats. Look at that. I'm not fat. Don't ask me I'm fat. I'm joking. Makeup and stuff can make a perfect fat dude. Gotta go.